9 tok saa 3 mar otieno machiegni wadhi nyime kod weche manyien. Jolweny moyiedhi mag piny Amerka omonjo piny Venezuela kendo mako jatend pinyno Nicolas Maduro kod jaode Cilia Flores e kar dak margi mantiere koda arita mager e boma maduong' mar piny Venezuela, Caracas. Jolwenj Amerka ne opoyo Maduro kod jaode Flores e dier otieno kane pok gichopo e agola mar pondo mogere e odno. Ondamo ma Trump opuoyo kaka manyiso lony mano mar jolwenj Amerka. Sirikand Venezuela olando ne jopinyno mondo obed akicha kendo kik giwuog kuonde ma gintiere ka giseyo monjno. Russia, Iran gin moko kuom pinje makoni Amerka onyisa goko ne Venezuela.
At my direction, the United States Armed Forces conducted an extraordinary military operation in the capital of Venezuela. Overwhelming American military power, air, land, and sea, was used to launch a spectacular assault. And it was an assault like people have not seen since World War II. It was a force against a heavily fortified military fortress in the heart of Caracas to bring outlaw dictator Nicolas Maduro to justice. This was one of the most stunning, effective, and powerful displays of American military might and competence. All Venezuelan military capacities were rendered powerless as the men and women of our military, working with U.S. law enforcement, successfully captured Maduro in the dead of night, but captured along with his wife, Cilia Flores, both of whom now face American justice.